Meaning of giantism.
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 Giantism. Giantism, also known as gigantism, is a medical condition characterized by abnormal growth and height caused by excessive production of growth hormone before the growth plates in the bones close. This condition can lead to various health problems such as joint pain, cardiovascular diseases, and vision problems. In extreme cases, it may also result in premature death. Treatment for gigantism typically includes surgery, radiation therapy, and medication to control hormone production. Early diagnosis and treatment are crucial in preventing the long-term complications associated with the condition.